Accepting the appeal request was a relief to the defendants and their family members. They were earlier sentenced for between 3 to 10 years in prison. Now that's gone. Yet disappointment took over when the court rejected the request to be released.
Yeah, it is disappointing. It is disappointing, and the misery continues. And I don't know. I hope there is a breakthrough very soon. We can't take it anymore. We really can't take it anymore.
The court doesn't have the jurisdiction to accept release terms of the defendants. Only the prosecution at this moment or the judge to be appointed for the retrial have the right to end their year-long detention. Australian and Canadian journalists are among the defendants. Their families hope they would be tried in their countries, not in Egypt.
Our lawyer has submitted a request to the presidency that the new law will be applied on his case and that it will be trialed in Canada. His health condition has been deteriorating.
Several charges have been filed against the journalists, including supporting the Muslim Brotherhood, which Egypt added to its terrorist organizations list.
Prosecution filed an appeal, and we did. We argued that the court was not formed based on the rules of law and that the court dismissed key points in our defense. It considered anyone who works in Al Jazeera is a member of the Muslim Brotherhood. This is not the case.
A date for the retrial must be set within 30 days. The proceedings are expected to take much less than the first trial. Earlier, President El-Sisi showed sympathy to the defendants, noting if he was in power at the time, he wouldn't have escalated their charges to the court. It made many expect a presidential pardon if the retrial found them guilty. The presidency did not comment on these reports. Disappointment among the families of the defendants that they were not released from their detention. But they're a little bit more hopeful that the chance of proving innocent is now closer than the first verdict. Adel, Mahrouky, CCTV, Cairo.